Alright guys, almost there. Alright, so this is webbing. This is 1-inch tubular climbing spec webbing. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to tie the water knot now with some safeties on it. So the easiest way to do this is to start out by taking the tail, go to maybe your elbow or so, maybe longer if you want. Alright, and then all you got to do is tie an overhand knot, which is very simple. All you got to do is go around and go through. Once again, don't tighten it, just bring it together. This is what you should come up with. Alright, so this is your tail end. Now to demonstrate to you how to finish this off, I'm going to use a different color piece of webbing. This webbing is red. So, now in order to do this knot, all you got to do is follow the tail end in just like a follow through. Except the difference is there's two ways to go in. You can go in this way, which you'll get stuck. If you go in this way, you can go through. So go in on top where your finger come out versus trying to go through another way. So that's where you're going to go in through. So you're going to take your other end, and this normally would be done with the same line. You're going to take it in, go in through there. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it through until it's about even, maybe a little bit longer, okay? Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to follow the other webbing around. So follow this piece of webbing. I usually just like to flip it so I can see what I'm doing. Flip it, and then you come to a spot where you have to actually follow it through. Alright, so I'm going to take that end, I'm going to follow it straight through the loop. Once again, you don't have to pull it tight, just nice and snug. So now you can see that we have the water knot completed. You know it's completed whenever it tightens, whenever it has tension on it, and it loosens whenever you push the opposite direction. Alright, so once again, I'm going to do that one more time for you real quick. You have your overhand. Here's your overhand. You're going to go in through the top. Once you go in through the top with your opposite end, you're going to bring it down to where their lines are just about even. You're going to want this line to be a little bit longer because you're going around it. And then just flip around it. Flip around once, flip around twice, and then go through it. Once you've gone through, you will have successfully completed your water knot. Now, on our figure eight follow through, we have a safety knot on that. We also put safety knots on each end of the webbing, alright, for the water knot. So the easiest way to do that, all you have to do is take one of your tails, put your thumb on the main line. You're going to do one regular overhand knot, alright? So you're just going to go around your thumb once, pull your thumb out, push through where your thumb was. And that's how you put a safety on it. Once again, I'm going to flip it over, do it on this side. Put your thumb on the main line, take your tail end, wrap it around your thumb once, pull your thumb out, take your tail end, go through where your thumb was, and now you have two safeties on your webbing. Alright? Good job, guys.